If your gadgets and gizmos are ready for the graveyard, or you can't contain your containers any longer, rather than throw them in the landfill, there's a place that you can bring them to give them a second chance at life.
NCORP is a federally incorporated not-for-profit stewardship program operating bottle depots and return it centres across the province. Here on the South Island we have several locations from Souk to Sydney, recycling a lot of stuff that municipal blue box programs leave behind. NCORP's newest local facility is on Glanford Avenue in Saanich. Manager Kelly Gorman offered to give us a tour. She knows the business inside and out, having worked her way up from the front lines.
The building is for refundable beverage containers as well as all electronics right now at this point. For the electronics, it's a free recycling service, so obviously it's a lot better than going to the landfill, so it's just a matter of coming, dropping it off, that's all you have to do.
Old audio gear, computer equipment and TVs are taking over the place.
This is how we stack them. So we start with a base level, so depending on the size of the TV, between 4 and 6 TVs on the bottom level. And then you wrap each level as you go up, just to keep it sturdy and secure. As you can see from what he's doing.
What are you dropping off there?
Just some old electronics, no good anymore. Just need to recycle them, do the right thing.
This shouldn't be in here, this should be in a museum. Look at this relic. Throwaway society.
Yeah.
This would look nice in my office.
I've got to drive a few miles to get here, but I'd rather do that than, just throw it in the garbage.
If I'm bringing beer cans here, do you pay the same as the liquor stores?
We do, we pay full refund on everything.
Nearly 80% of all used recyclable containers were returned through Bottle Depot last year. On average, each visitor bringing $15 worth of returnables. BC has some of the best return rates in the country.
What happens to the stuff after?
After, a lot of the product, the cans mostly are made back into aluminum cans. I think it's 90% of them that go back into production. So right here you're looking at condensed beer cans. So these beer cans are shipped back off and made into beer cans.
Once the cans have been compressed and put onto a skid, 63,000 of them in this little space.
Is this the future of recycling, this kind of packaging?
This is where we hope it's going to go, yes.
As for the electronics,
Does any of this stuff get shipped overseas?
No, not that I'm aware of.
it gets its new lease on life right here in BC.
I like that, keeps jobs here.
So if you go the extra mile to create this pile, you'll keep recycling in style. In Saanich, I'm James Green, your urban specialist.
Producing over 9,000 hours of local programming every year. This is Shaw TV, your local voice.